Hi my loves! Welcome back to my channel! Mukha ko lang ipakita sa inyo my love ha, kasi don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell for notification para updated kayo sa mukha ko. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and comment po mo my love para hindi mapanis yung mga laway nyo dyan for today's vlog. Kasi itong vlog my love ay it's not about me. It's not about you. And of course, about Nia. So this is different vlog from my previous vlog because this vlog, it's a kind of something, let me think about it. Ano lang po my love, ordinary yung tao lang po ako my love. Hindi naman po ako katulad sa kanila na kilalang kilala. At saka, ano lang din, itong ginagawa ko my love is, ginagawa ko ito para sa aking sarili. And of course, para sa inyo my love, oy. Para naman kahit papano na kahit itong mga video ko na walang kakwenta-kwenta, hindi ko talaga inasahan na may na-inspired pala sa akin. Nga nag-YouTube tayo, my love. Kaya nga tayo mga tinatawag na influencer, either ma-influence sila sa atin or ma-influence ta nila in a good way. Kaya nga, maraming mga tao din na influence siya dahil sa ganitong ginawa nila, na-influence ka dahil ganito ang ginawa nila, or na-influence siya dahil ganito ang ginagawa mo. So, ito naman sa akin, my love, I am very happy talaga na kasi ordinaryong tao man lang ako, my love. Hindi man ako at saka yung mga video ko, my love, walang kakwenta-kwenta yun, my love. Ginawa ko lang, my love, yung para sa sa white yung, my love, either nakapag-influence ka, or ikaw ang na-influence nila, or siya ang na-influence ni mo, or nakahatag ba kang kalipay niya, or nakahatag pa ka nagkalagot, o nakatag ba ka nag-inspirasyon? O nahimo ba kag-inspirasyon niya? O nakatag ba ka nag-motivation? O nahimo ba ka o siya ba ang na-motivate nimo? So, inana na siya, my love. So, but anyway, it's akong kaso is, I am very happy nga, nakahatag dahil kong inspirasyon niya, o na-inspired dahil siya na ako, isip inahan, alam niyo na. Very happy nga sa bisag sa inani nga pamaagi my love, bisag usahay nga inani akong dagway, kahit ganito yung mukha ko my love, kahit minsan luka-luka ako, pero may na-inspired ay sa ko my love. So, like to share this video. This is her first day of the week to get back on shape, to get a lindog program daw. So, I am very happy to share it to you all, my love, na hopefully this video is makahatag po ninyo inspirasyon, makahatag po ninyo og motivation, especially na tong mga babae. So, please keep on watching because I'm sure at the end of this video, maghuna-huna jud mo kung mubalik ba mo sa inyong ex. so my love, enjoy this video, and hopefully at the end of this video you gonna look after your body, especially natong mga babae. So enjoy.
To my friend Super Mom Ru. She will be helping me with my exercise. So she gave me a instruction how to do and how to prepare myself. Although I have experience already in the Philippines, but still it's been too long that I stopped. So this time I will try my best and challenge myself exercise. Super Mambo, because you really inspired me being the mother, even though I'm just only a mother of one kid, but you have 3 kids, but you really do very well your healthy living. Salute to you, Superman. You really inspired me. I will do at least 30 minutes exercise. So it's already 4:44. So if it will alarm, it means it's already 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes exercise. So I don't need to be tremendous exercise right now. I'll be posting again after a month for my how it will be after 1 month, and hope you will enjoy my new recipe for diet, and hope I will really pursue the goal that I've been trying to pursue for this year, because it's not only for being a sexy but having a healthy living. So always remember, once you do a healthy living, you still have to eat. So by eating, you have to burn, and that is by exercising. And at least try to walk every day at least 1,000 steps. So healthy eating means check your body. If you think you are too fat, so it means you need to burn more of your fats. So you have to be having a more cardio and eat more on protein, so your muscles will be strong and bigger. So it will eat your fats, and at the same time fiber, so you have a good cycle of your body, because me, I really need fiber. Then exercise. Thank you everyone. Let's see again after a month. I will try my best to hit my goal this time. That is my New Year resolution.